Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make overnight fat cutting drink. This drink will detoxify your system, cleanse your liver, boost your energy level, boost your immune system, and also prevent you from gaining excess weight. Continue watching to find out how I make this drink. This drink, I'll be using coriander. If you don't have coriander, you can also use parsley. I'll also add spinach. Start by squeezing the lemon to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C. It helps our body to absorb iron. It aids digestion and helps us to lose weight. I'm done squeezing the lemon juice. I'll add the lemon juice into the blender. Add the ginger into the blender. Ginger is an important spice that will help our body to burn fat. It also aids digestion and improve circulation. I'll be adding apple. I'll slice the apple into smaller pieces. I'll be using apple and I'm going to cut the apple into smaller pieces for easy blending. Apple is a smart way to control your craving when you're trying to lose weight because it contains fiber. Use of coriander. Coriander will help to stimulate digestion and is a good source of fiber. I will also add spinach. Using cinnamon. Cinnamon is a healthy spice that is safe to add small to moderate amount. It will help to lower your blood pressure, boost your insulin function, and also kickstart your metabolism. Adding 1.5 cup of water. I'm done adding. I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this drink. Taking this drink at bedtime will avoid you from gaining excess weight. It will help to boost your metabolism, aid digestion, cleanse and detoxify your system, boost your energy level. This video is helpful. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. See you in my next video.